Hi you guys, welcome to day 4 of 31 days in, and as you see by the title in the intro, I'm going to be giving you guys a in-depth tutorial on how to make a junk wallpaper. I'm going to be using my MacBook, but if you have a phone, iPad, or anything else that you want to use, you can still use these tips for that as well. So when you're trying to create your junk wallpaper, you want to go to Pinterest. Pinterest and Canva is going to be the best 2 apps that you use for this. Of course, for Pinterest, you're going to look up stickers and you're going to look up backgrounds, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up, so now we're going to look up some orange, because the theme of this, we have to do fall theme since this is 31 days in. Since this is 31 days in, we have to do a fall, Halloween, October theme. So we're going to do a orange aura wallpaper, right? So this is the one that I want. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the image and save it to wherever you want it to, and then you're going to go to Canva. You're going to go to Canva and you're going to upload it. And as you guys see, I have already did this, but I had to go back to make sure you guys understood how to do that, right? So once you have your background, that's when Pinterest comes into place. You're gonna search up, you can either search up hypebeast or aesthetic stickers. We're gonna look up aesthetic stickers. And I want this like black, since the background is like so bright. I want the stickers to kind of pop on the background. So we're gonna do black aesthetic stickers. And these are, I like this one. So I'm gonna download that and put it where I know where it will be. So that's basically what you're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna find all the stickers that I want to put on my junk wallpaper, and I'm gonna get back to you guys to explain the next step. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done getting all the stickers that I want to put on my wallpaper, you're going to upload all the stickers that you have chosen, and you're going to upload them to Canva. To do that, let me actually record here. So to do that, ads really going to come on in the middle of my video. And why couldn't you just stay on the fireplace? Anyways, so you're just going to click upload files, and then wherever you have your stickers, I normally put mine in desktop right here, but wherever you have your stickers, you just upload them. So let's say I upload this one, so you just upload them and you're gonna put them on your wallpaper. Now let me get this clear. So in order, you see how it is, the background, if you don't want the background, you're gonna go to Finder, you're gonna go to your desktop, right? You're gonna click on whatever one you want. So let's say I do this Betty Boop, right? let's click on her. I'm going to right click, copy the subject, and then I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to paste it. And there's Betty Boop without the background. So that's how I'm going to do each and every one of these pictures. But you still want to make sure that you upload it to Canva so that, well, no matter what, it's going to automatically upload to Canva. It's automatically going to be in your uploads. So yeah, and we're not gonna do it so big, but yeah, this is definitely that junk vibe with each and all those pictures, those stickers that you have saved. So like I said, you can either search up hype beast stickers or aesthetic stickers. Whatever one you decide is whatever one you decide. But then once you get your stickers, the next step is to, you're gonna go to elements. You're gonna click on elements. You're gonna search pick 3D letters. Okay. Pick 3D letters. Now some of them you have to have premium for, right? But most of them you don't. Okay, you guys, I'm back. The camera had stopped, but let me restart recording again. So what I was saying was these bubble letters, they have all of them to spell out whatever you want, and if you don't like this color, you can click on it and then you can change the color to whatever you want, black, and you can set a color, red. They're like lighter than the normal though, but they're definitely good enough because the other ones you do have to use premium for, but I definitely like these. But yeah, so I'm sorry guys, I'm just yapping, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm finna just upload. Well, I actually don't need to upload it. I'm just finna spell out what I want to spell out using the bubble words and then putting everything. But right now I'm just gonna put everything onto the junk wallpaper. And I'm super duper sorry. Hold on, let me stop recording. I'm super duper sorry that this video is all over the place. It's like, it's 12:34 a.m. 12:34 a.m. Let me show you guys. Believe me or not. Yeah. It's pretty late. I'm super tired. I've been out all day, so it's really hard for me to concentrate and think about everything. Like, it really is. Like, y'all don't know how hard it be when I'm tired. It just be so hard to talk. I'm super tired, but I'm gonna just put all these stickers on here, and yeah, I hope this tutorial was good for you guys. I really do. But if it wasn't, it's cool. Anyways,
awesome lovers did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Calling, hear me calling for you. 'Cause I'm lost without you. Said I've been needing you. Is your heart still mine? Wanna pass some time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you got another life. You gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Calling, hear me calling for you. 'Cause want to you, baby. Is your heart still mine? No. I've been here too long and I'm lost without you. What am I gonna do? I've been needing you more than you. Is your heart still mine? Yeah. I miss you.
okay you guys, so I have officially uploaded all of the stickers that I'm going to use to put onto my aura background. And then remember what I told you guys about the bubbles. I'm gonna actually spell out something. I don't know what it is yet. I'm gonna think about it and then get back to you guys of the product of what I'm gonna spell, and then show you guys how the stickers and how everything is gonna come out. So just watch this process. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm actually creating the bubble words, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do lost files, because y'all know my YouTube is lost files of Name Michelle. So I feel like if I put that in the center, will like make them smaller. And I think I want to change the color, but then again, I might as well keep the color or maybe change them orange. I don't know, you guys. I think I'm gonna do orange, and then like with the black stickers, I feel like, yeah, I feel like that'll look so cute. I'm sorry about the ring light in the last clip, you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this up, and then I'm gonna show you guys of me putting the stickers on.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me, so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking why you come around and not installing. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the back in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put your work in. Cause and now I love them all, to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. You know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you.
Okay, you guys, so this is what the final product looked like. I mean, it's kind of junky. I don't know, y'all. Like, I really don't know what to say. Like, I don't know if I should keep it simple, or should I add more, or should I add less? Like, take some of it off, because it's kind of like covering up this. But then again, it's looking cute. I love how the black came out on the orange and pink aura background. But next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click share, and you're going to download this. Keep it as PNG, and then you're going to click download, and then it's just going to download. Okay, it's downloading down here. Then once it's done, it's going to ask you, well, it might be different, but it's going to ask you where you want it. Of course, I want it in the desktop. So, and you're going to click save. You're going to save it. And then boom, it's saved. And you're going to go to your desktop. And boom, there it is. So, once you have, yeah, I gotta clear up all this stuff. But once you have your junk wallpaper, you're just gonna go to, well, I have to go to my settings, and then I have to click on wallpapers, and then add photo, choose. I'm gonna choose from the desktop, untitled design, save. So let's go check. First, let's clear all of this stuff off. And then boom, y'all, look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, let me see. Hold on, let me actually close my MacBook and see. I don't know how to. Okay, oh, okay. So, let me see. Lock screen. Okay, yeah, so this is the lock screen. My bad, y'all. So this is the lock screen. Got the time on there. I think I can change the color of that. I don't know. I'm gonna go look deep in the settings, but I definitely love this, you guys. It's definitely cute. It's getting junky. I love the colors of it. I love the orange. I love the black. The black definitely pops on this. But yeah. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of this video. It is currently 1:08 p.m. and it's currently October 5th now. But this video was supposed to be for the 4th. But of course I got home late and I still is up late at night making these videos for you guys. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm super duper tired, you guys. I really gotta edit this video, post it, and drop it for you guys. Duh. But I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna turn this fireplace off and turn the lights off and have a good night. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope this tutorial was good enough for you. I hope you got some tips from this video. If you ever want to create your own junk case and you didn't know how to start, that's definitely how you start. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Well, it is already tomorrow, but stay tuned for another video to drop after this. So yeah, thank you guys for the support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn me up, don't turn me down, because I want to get lit, so I'm getting better, and my hair is messing up. So it's time for me to put a bonnet on and go to sleep. Cut the tea.